with another
Oh my
video, and
god,
this time
I'm
it is
back.
YG Next Monsters Chania, the
Chania.
garage music video from Thailand.
Let's
So
go,
let's get
guys!
busy
I'm
with
excited!
the video.
Oh my god, it's just 2 minute video.
Oh wow! I guess turn down the
Yeah,
a bit
volume, yeah.
because it's too high. Okay.
Wow, what a nice
She's just
vocal.
14-year-old.
Really?
Yeah,
How you know?
it's said in the beginning.
Okay, let's play. She is really good, I have to say it. Oh
Oh
my
wow,
god.
she's doing it very nicely, and like what can I
What?
say? Accent.
Yeah.
It's not coagulating. Like
Yeah.
it's not bothering the
Bothering
whole
the-
accent
yeah.
thing. Like when you have your mother tongue is different and the language you're speaking is different, you kind of get the accent of your mother tongue into the the language you're
Language you're
speaking.
speaking,
Suppose
yeah.
you are speaking like my name is something something,
Yeah.
and when your mother tongue is different, you kind of vocalize that mother
That
tongue
mother
accent into that my name is something something.
Yeah.
So it happens a lot. It happens to the very great people who knows different languages as well.
Yeah.
That's the thing. And but she has mastered it very well that you
Yeah.
cannot hear the accent kind of
Accent,
thing
actually.
so hard, like
Yeah, it's really, it sounds like USA.
yeah.
Mine got love now. I hold it like a grudge, and I hear your voice every time that I think I'm not enough. I try to be tough, but I
wow.
wanna scream. How could anybody do the things you did so easily?
Wow.
I say I don't care. I say I'm fine, but you know I can't let it go. I'm trying for so long.
Wow,
that's
very
really
nice.
special.
I don't feel strong.
Oh
Wow.
my god, she's
Wow.
so talented.
Do you think I'm
My god.
You flowers filled with victory, you bear me so much before you have
Oh my god.
Try to be tough, try to be me.
Wow.
Oh,
In this
that
part,
yeah.
in this part, the way she's letting out the emotion,
Yeah.
it's just really amazing. Like you can feel the sadness.
Yeah.
You can feel that. You can
Trying
feel
to be
the,
tough,
yeah,
trying to be
yeah.
mean.
You
Oh
can,
my god.
You can feel that, which is really
She's
good.
really good, man. I
It
have to
is
say
really
it.
good. It's not just singing; she is also showing emotion through her singing, which
Yeah.
is another different thing which I really love about some songs. And this is like really great. And I can see that she is singing in some kind of competition or something, I
Yeah.
guess. And I would really love to know what is the competition. Is it YG Next Monster? Like
Yeah.
I really want to know because it feels like it's a competition. So
Competition, yeah.
I really want to know what the other girls are doing, what the other girls are there, how they are performing and everything. And of course make a video out of it.
Yeah. Let's play.
After all this, you're still everything to me. And I know you don't care.
Wow.
Yes, that's fine. But you know I can't let it go. I'm trying to.
Yes,
I'm trying.
sometimes some words are being mispronounced.
Yeah.
Something like she pronounced go as grow, so
Is
or maybe
it's
is
okay,
it
it's
grow?
okay.
I
At
don't
this
know.
age, she's doing that, and it's really this.
It's amazing,
revolution.
honestly. Yeah, it happens to the best of us, so
Yeah.
it's fine.
Takes right to forget, but I'm not quite sure I'm there yet.
Wow. So good.
Okay, wow.
Takes right to forget.
I needed to take a moment, honestly.
Yeah.
I needed to take a moment to process
all
all
of it, man.
It's really good. She has a
She's-
really great
she is
vocal, and
talented.
she knows how to control her how to control her talent, how to
Yeah.
control With great powers come great
Great
responsibilities, said by Peter Parker's Uncle
Yeah.
Ben Parker.
Yeah.
What's happening with
It's
this light
flickering.
today? It's flickering.
It's not the light, my sound box.
No, it's the light. This is the light. It's having the trouble. Not it is directly connected to the another different switchboard. So how the box can do things to
I
this?
don't know.
Yeah, it's voltage issues, I guess.
I think.
Ah,
Wow.
cute chick.
So good. I love it. What a performance.
Ah, okay. Chania
National-
Thai, born 14 years old.
Yeah.
Height 168.
I think it's
Whatever
a-
language, Thai, English. Okay, her second language must be English,
English.
or maybe first language. I don't know. Trainee period 2 years. Okay, this is position vocal. Oh
She's
wow.
really good.
Oh
I
wow.
have to
This is really good. This is really
I
good.
think
I love it.
It's a, some kind of
And-
audition.
Yeah,
or-
yeah. Audition for next idol band,
yeah.
probably. Yeah, I would love to see
Yeah.
another idol
Me
band.
too.
I love them, and also the fact that she's only 14 years old,
Yeah.
man. It's unfathomable by me, because at the age of 14, I was not doing so good. Like I
Me
was just
too.
a kid who was
Me
just
too.
running around, having fun, studying, and that's all I did.
Yeah.
That's all we did, honestly. And to fathom
Me
the
too.
fact that she, at this age, doing this all
Yeah. It's
is
really
am-
remarkable.
really
for-
remarkable, and
at
also
this
a
age.
very big factor. Like, it's amazing to see how these kids are doing at this time.
Yeah.
It's really something that we can get inspired by every day, and get up, do something. On although I get up and do my job, and although I hate it, I do it. I don't know why I do it. I know why I do it. I need the money. That's why I do it. But yeah, they are very talented,
Yeah.
and I'm kinda jealous, because God didn't gave me those talents.
It's okay.
Not everybody is the same.
No, I am not talented.
No,
actually,
she's
guys.
really talented. She's really talented. I love it. I love it for her. I love it for her. Come, we'll see you somewhere soon.
Okay,
This
guys,
woman
that's
is
it for today.
That's it for today. I loved her voice.
Yeah.
I loved the song. And Thailand, go Thailand, man.
Yeah.
Seriously, go girl, go Chania. You were just amazing. Thank you so much. It was if you, I told you it happens to the best of us. I'm not the best, but what's the point of not thinking I'm not the
Okay.
best? Yeah. So thank you so much. If you're still watching, do like, do share, and also to
Also?
subscribe. We'll see in the
Yeah.
next video. Until then, you can watch our other videos on this channel. And till then, bye bye.
Bye bye.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.